Hi friends!
Today we will show you how we make our own toys at home. These are some of the toys and objects we made using the 3D printer.
This is a whistle.
This is a castle. We can use it as an ornament to decorate our house. It has so many details.
This is a tiny boat.
If you remember, in our last video we used a burner and we used this piece to control the fire. And let me show you and control this. This is how it looks like without the family. We designed this and send it to China to print it. At last, we will show you this board. We're gonna assemble it with you. This is the new toy we printed.
And we're gonna assemble it with you guys.
This is the board.
This is an axle.
These are propellers. Now let's start assembling. We're gonna take the axle and we're gonna assemble it like this with the propeller.
Next, we are going to put that part over here. This is how it looks like after assembling.
Now let's take this and play with it. Now let's test our new toy.
Wow. Wow, it's so cool. Now let's play with all of the toys.
I'm coming
Hiya!
for you.
Hiya! Hi!
If you don't have a 3D printer, don't worry. We have an option for you.
No, wait. Are you okay? You have to do it like this, okay? Now, 1, 2, 3. I'm coming for you. Again, I will show you how to work it. So you have to do it like this. No. And then keep it like this.
Now we will show you how to design the object. This is the 3D printer we are going to use. There are many colors you can use to print anything. Gray,
Orange and black.
Now let me show you how to design the object. I'm gonna use SolidWorks Net software. Now let's click on the open file, click part and click OK. First we have to select a plane. I will select top plane and select sketch. Let's draw a circle. Use the now click Smart Dimension, click on the outline and give 20 millimeters. Now let's choose the line tool and choose center line. Let's draw a line, right click and select. Let's draw another center line, right click and select. Now let's click Smart Dimension and click on these two lines and give 670 and click OK. Let's click on the line tool and click a center line again. Draw another center line, right click and select. Let's click on this tiny square and press. Let's select midpoint of the line and press and hold shift and click this line. Now we're gonna click coincident and click OK. Use this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Click Smart Dimension, select this side and give 16 millimeters. Click OK. Click this side and give 1 millimeter. Now let's zoom in. Before that, let's click OK. Now let's zoom in and select these dotted lines and press delete key. And delete all the center lines we used. Now let's select the rectangle, click Line Sketch Pattern and select Circular Sketch Pattern. Now let's give about 12 and click OK. Let's zoom in a bit and then click Trim Entities. Now we will trim these parts. Now this is what it looks like after trimming. Now click OK and exit. Click Features and click Extruded. Now let's give about 15 millimeters and click OK. Now this is what it looks like. Now let's select this surface and select Sketch. Click on the rectangle tool and let's draw a rectangle. Click Smart Dimension, click on this side and give 5 and click on this side and give 5 as well. Now click OK. Exit. click on the extruded cut and make sure it is the same and click OK. Now this is what it looks like after we designed our object. Now let's save this. Go to Save As and you can choose a place and give a name for this file. Now we're gonna select let's go to Save As and select Save As Type as STL. Now we will give a name for the file and save. Now click Yes and click OK. Let's see how our part looks like. Let's open the file. Right click on it and click Open with 3D Viewer. This is how it looks like. Now let's select the file and use Prusa slicer and drag it and drop it. Now this is what it looks like, but we can't print it this way, so we have to select this icon and click on the side. Now let's select a material and I'm gonna select PETG and click Slice Now. After slicing, you can see how this is printing. Now let's click Export G-code and this is our G-code. This is our G-code file. The 3D printer can only read G-codes. Now, if you don't have SolidWorks software, I have another solution. For 3D printer, and there are many sites you can choose from. Let's click on one of them. There are many options you can choose from. Now let's click on one thing and press download. You can see the file, and now let's use the Prusa slicer and slice. Now this is what it looks like. Now, if you don't have a 3D printer, don't worry. I have a solution. You can go to the internet and search JLC 3D print. This is the interface of the website. You can drag and drop your 3D file and if you scroll down, you can see all the information. You can select the information you need and then press submit. Click Save to Cart. And you have to sign in. If you need more information about 3D printing, about SolidWorks, or about online ordering, I can provide you more. This is a simple explanation of this. If you need to know more information, we will explain later.
Thanks for watching. Bye.